Tri-State in the national spotlight today. A man accused of a plan to plant bombs at the U.S. Capitol goes before a judge. Good afternoon to you. I'm Lisa Cooney.
And I'm Mark Hayes. Thanks for joining us. In less than an hour and a half, Christopher Cornell will face charges. Investigators say he planned to set off bombs at the U.S. Capitol and shoot government officials. WLWT News 5's John London is outside the federal courthouse now live, leading the way ahead of today's hearing. John, good afternoon.
Yeah, Mark, under tight security for obvious reasons. A lot of international eyes on this case. Christopher Cornell, we believe, is already inside the federal building behind me here. His detention hearing, due to national media interest, has been moved from the 7th floor to a larger first-floor courtroom. That is where his parents, John and Angela, are expected to join others to observe today. They will be here, they say, to lend support to their son. They have not wavered in that support since his criminal case surfaced just a couple of days ago. According to Butler County Sheriff Richard Jones, Cornell asked that he be situated at the jail in such a way that he could see a clock so that he could know when to pray during the day, which the sheriff says Cornell has done on his knees in isolation at the jail. Cornell will learn today if he will continue to be held in federal custody and if he's considered a flight risk, and also if bond will be set. Authorities have not yet said where he could be held once the hearing is finished.
It's up to the United States Marshal Service as to where is the best place to hold him. They'll make that determination based on a lot of different factors. They could keep him up in Butler County. They could keep him down in Boone County that has a contract. They can probably keep him in another facility as long as they can make sure that he's going to be transported to court for each and every one of his court appearances.
Now, there could be a preliminary hearing for Cornell within 10 days. There is some thinking that the federal government might want to avoid that and take the case directly to a federal grand jury for an indictment within 10 days. That should be cleared up at this afternoon's hearing. Reporting live at the federal courthouse, John London, WLWT News 5.
John, thank you. And we have full coverage of the arrest on WLWT.com. You can see the search warrant and full documents, as well as hear full interviews about the suspect on our website, WLWT.com.